Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I've been selling digital products online for close to 2 years now. In this video, I want to share with you guys websites that I've used to make and sell digital products online, so you too can also use them to sell and make money too. This video is for artists, creators, or entrepreneurs who are searching for more places to start selling their digital products. So let's jump into the video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Gumroad is a very versatile platform that allows you to sell digital products, physical products, and even services. Gumroad is known for its user-friendly interface and a robust set of features like collecting emails that you can use for email marketing and simple and intuitive way to set your store up. Etsy is a renowned marketplace that receives close to 500 million visitors monthly. In this website, you can sell your physical and digital products. And the best thing about Etsy is the large number of buyers that are coming to the website monthly. If you can make proper research on the product you want to sell, you're on your way to making thousands of dollars from your digital products. Big Cartel. This is a simple and straightforward e-commerce solution that is perfect for small businesses and independent artists. When I used Big Cartel was when I was creating a digital course for a client. And one of the advantage that I saw was how simple and clean it was and easy to manage your store. Managing your store is very, very important if you are selling digital products. TeePublic is a platform that specializes on print-on-demand products such as t-shirts, mug, and other products. If you have design or artwork you'd like to sell, TeePublic can handle the production and fulfillment, allowing you to focus on your creative work. Similar to TeePublic, Redbubble is a print-on-demand platform that enables you to sell your designs on a variety of products, including apparel, home decor, and accessories. It is a great option for artists and designers that are looking to monetize their creations. Redbubble also receives close to 20 million visitors in a month. That means if you have a product there, that means there is a high chance that you are going to sell your product. If you can get into Amazon Merch on Demand, you are sure in for a treat because Amazon, as we know it, is the biggest e-commerce platform with a 2.2 billion monthly visits. Amazon Merch on Demand is a print-on-demand service offered by Amazon, which allows you to create and sell custom design products without the hassle of inventory management or fulfillment. And since people are already more confident to shop on Amazon, you are bound to make more sales. In addition to Merch on Demand, Amazon also offers a comprehensive Seller Central platform where you can list and sell a wide range of products, both physical and digital. This can be a powerful way to tap into Amazon's vast customer base because with the seller accounts, you can run adverts and also be provided with a wide range of tools to optimize for more sales. To start an Amazon account, I believe you need $39 or $40 to create an Amazon seller account. If you're an educator or have an educational resource to share, Teachers Pay Teachers is a specialized platform that caters to the needs of teachers and homeschoolers. It is a great way to monetize your lesson plans, worksheets, children book, and other educational material. This website that I'm talking about is easy to follow and it is the first website that I started selling digital products in. That brings the video to an end. These are the websites I use to sell my digital products. If you have any questions for me, please ask in the comment section and also like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and peace out.